Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And today I have created this my everyday makeup look. You can say this is makeup no makeup look. Yeah, no makeup look also you can say say about this. And today I have done with very minimal product. Only I have used 1 2 3 4 4 4 5 products, that's it. And yeah, in very less product you can achieve a very less products you can achieve like this beautiful look. And I usually do this when I'm going out, I'm staying at home. This is what I usually does. And yeah, today I have didn't use any foundation, any of concealer, nothing. Before starting my video, have you done subscribe to my channel? Please take a moment to subscribe. So yeah, while you're delaying to watch my video, let's get into the video. So yes, let's start the video. First, this is what my natural hair. I have didn't combed because I just washed my hair 1 hour ago. To secure with the clip. Actually, my face has well moisturized. I've toned my face. I've just moisturized my face. So directly I'm going this Lakme 925 CC cream. Yes guys, you can think what, Keerthi is using Lakme CC cream? Yes, why not? Why not? Indian people, I mean Indian skin tone girls, we should not use. But this from 2 years we are using the same cream, not the same what do you say, packaging. Even my mom is using this, and we are not thinking that yes, it's a huge different. It's just like a Fair and Lovely, we are using it. Yes, we are Indians. Indians will do a mix and match, you know. And yeah, I'm going to take this, like just a little bit, not so much, just a little bit. You can see it, little bit. And any of your moisturizer, any moisturizer what you're using it for, currently what you're using, that for now I'm going to take this Vaseline body lotion. It's for body, you can use it for face also, not like you should not use. I'm just going to take a little bit, I mean just this much. Okay, now I'm going to mix with this. See, it just becomes like a foundation. Have you seen? Like this. Okay, I'm going to take dotting up. If you're applying directly, you cannot blend it. Okay, and it look like a very what do you say, it's like it won't move from your skin. It's like a little bit of tackiness is there, so I'm just using a moisturizer. And you won't feel that after applying this BB cream or CC cream. If you're a dark skin tone like my skin tone, if you feel like yes, it's like a little bit of grayish, I can't use this, my skin is gray, like that, like this, you can think. But if you use properly, you can. Okay, yeah, right. And under eye is a very important. And yeah, just little bit of it. Okay, if you can tell, mine is a oily skin, I can't use a moisturizer. If yours is a oily skin, it works. Okay, but you should take little bit. See, it's just blending like amazingly, it's blending. And mine is I can say it's literally a dry skin. Mine is a literally dry skin. And if you're going outside, you should cover your ears also. Okay, and as well as your neck. lots of people mindset there is like, oh my god, BB cream, no Keerthi, I never use that because it just my skin tone turns out grayish, so I can't use. Why would people are like this? I don't know. If you're well moisturize your skin, you can go with it, okay? So yeah, and this will works for amazingly for a dry skin. Like if you're using a moisturizer with this is an amazing product, I can say. And yeah, if you want upon this, you can apply a compact, and I'm using this my sister's Lakme compact. Okay, yeah, dust it off. Today I'm doing this video because of just a minute, I'll apply some compact. Yeah, and yeah, my base is done. This is what I usually do. With this. And another one best product is there. I'll show you in a next video. And is my favorite. How can I tell about this? This is my all-time favorite Dazzler eyeliner. And before you use, and shake well, shake a booty, shake. Before you use, shake it. And now I'm going to line my eyes. Yeah, okay, I love this brush tip, and it's a little bit long and it's thin. It's just amazing, I can say it. You know what? Usually I apply a big wing liner. Yes, I usually do that. Yeah. I don't want to lag my video, so I'll just complete this eye and I'll be back. Yes, in my off camera, I'm just done with my eyebrows and one of my eyeliner. And yeah, I'm moving to my mascara. For mascara, I'm using this Maybelline Magnum Barbie. Get a really Barbie lashes, really. And believe me, you know how I usually apply. People will apply like this and leave it. Okay, that is not you should do. You should take and you just should put it back, that excess of, okay, and apply it a thick coat. Okay, thick coat of, okay, then again, yep, again I'm going to take and, yep, be careful, be very careful while you're applying your mascara, and don't talk like me while applying, okay, because that's your eye. Yeah, just like this thick coat. Yeah, now I'm done. Okay, now this comes a tricky time, and I'm just going to see, you just observe this, and your lashes you should do like this, okay, so that you'll get that naturally curls. Okay, you know why I'm not using that? people, why like this? They're screaming. I don't know. Ugh. Okay, let people shouts. Okay, I'll continue my video. And yeah, I have that lashes color. Okay, but I'm not going to use that usually. If continuously if I use that, you know what it happens. See, my lashes has curled naturally, and this is like amazing mascara, I can tell. Yeah, I want to talk about that lashes color. I have uh, one 1 year ago when I buyed, or no, not buyed. It's a 1 year ago. I'll just tell a small story. Okay, I just started continuously curling my lashes and applying mascara, curling my lashes and applying mascara, curling my lashes, applying mascara every day. If morning I just take my bath and I just curl my, didn't apply any of moisturizer also. First I'm going to grab that mascara curler and curl my lashes, and I'll just apply a thick coat of mascara, and it just going to touch us like this. It just like this. It was my lashes. And after 1 week, I think, yeah, 1 week or 4 days, after 4 days I think, I just started false, I mean eyelashes false. My god, I just can't even imagine that. Okay, so on that day I have decided, no, I should not do this forever. If I want to use, I use it once for a makeup and I'll just keep it aside. I'm just not going to touch that. I'm just use only for my brides, and if I want to do a well makeup, I'll just use it once. Okay, continuously I will not. So that's one I can say about color story. And now I'm going to line my lips with this Lakme Perfect Definition lip liner. It's an amazing color. Okay, see, look at this. It's an amazing shade, and I have applied it here. I'm not going to waste this. I'll just show you what I do this. Okay, now I'm going to line my lips. Yes, I'm just done with this, and now I'm going to use this Sugar Cosmetics lipstick in shade number 12, brownish nude shade. So yeah, I'm just applying a little bit on my lower lips. That's it. I'm just tapping my lips. That's it. And yeah, this is how I usually do. If I only apply this lipstick, I look like I cannot even expect that. I cannot even imagine that also. And yeah, but this is an amazing shade. If you use a very good brownish or pinkish lip liner, so you can go with this. Yeah. And yeah, I have swatched some lip liner. So for that, I'm just going to take this. You know what's this? You will remember, right? Yeah, it's a Lakme 95cc cream. I'm just going to add a little bit into it. Okay, just a little bit, not more, little bit. And I'm just going to blend this. See, and I'm taking this and applying on my cheeks. Oh my my god, oh my god, oh my god, it just like it's awesome. It's a super duper tricky. Yeah. Why people are screaming? Even I'm screaming with them. I will not waste any product. This is how, and it just gives a natural on my nose also. I just apply a little bit. Nowadays, I don't know why, I love to apply on my nose also. And yeah, on my eyes, left product on my eyes. Yeah. So I will not waste any of my product. It's too hard to earn money, so please don't waste your money and don't waste your products, okay? And yeah, this is what my final look. I usually do this. Is what. And yeah, this is what my final look. And yeah, hope you guys all love this look, and I know you people will love my makeup. And I know this is a very easy and super duper makeup. I know you people were wasting some, you have buyed some of baby cream or CC cream, you don't know how to use, so this is the better way to use. I know this video will be helpful for you people. And yeah, hope you guys love this video. I know you people will love my videos. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. And next I'll come with a super duper video. Bye.